me, yours Nandini. Welcome back to our channel MCM, a middle class mom. Hope you all are fine and being safe at your homes. Lockdown is being extended due to this COVID 19. Many of the people are facing different kinds of problems. Few of them are staying away from the families. Importantly, the pregnant ladies would be facing difficulties. Generally, during pregnancy, they would feel like stressed, suffocated, nauseous, etc. But this is a situation where they couldn't even go out for the fresh air. During the pregnancy, many of the pregnant ladies will feel morning sickness and nausea. But in this situation, they couldn't go for the hospitals each and every time. So here we can have some home remedies with what we have in the home, and we can get rid of this morning sickness and nausea. Ginger plays an important role in reducing the morning sickness and the nausea. If we take the ginger in the higher dosages, then it have some side effects like heartburns, mouth irritations, stomach upset, diarrhea, and sometimes it may lead to miscarriages too. Our research has proved that the pregnant ladies who took the ginger 1 gram per day for 16 weeks were less affected from this nausea and morning sickness. If we take the ginger in the correct dosage, then we have many health benefits during pregnancy. They are: it helps in maintaining the cholesterol levels, adequate blood supply to you and your baby. It boosts your immune system and helps you fight against the cold and cough. It helps in relieving morning sickness and nausea. It keeps your blood sugar levels under control. It helps in absorption of nutrients. It helps in easing pregnancy related gas, indigestion and bloating. It is effective in easing the heartburns. It's better not to exceed more than 1 inch piece of ginger per day to enjoy its benefits. We can take ginger in different ways. Here I'll show you 3 different ways of consuming ginger during the pregnancy. Before going to the process, please subscribe to MCM channel, like it, share, comment and press the bell icon for the notifications. Remedy 1. You can take 1 gram of grated ginger with honey throughout the day in 4 to 5 intervals when you feel nauseous. Do not consume this in high quantity. Remedy 2. Ginger tea. The ingredients are water 1 cup, grated ginger 1 teaspoon, jaggery or honey 1 teaspoon. Pour the water into a pan and add the grated ginger of 1 teaspoon into it. When it starts boiling, add 1 teaspoon of jaggery. Here, instead of jaggery, we can add honey at the last. Boil it until the jaggery melts. Now strain this mixture into a cup. Take this 1 cup of tea in 2 to 3 intervals, as during pregnancy you should consume only about 1 gram of ginger per day. Remedy 3. Ginger candies. The ingredients are ginger 1/4 cup, jaggery half cup. Here double the quantity of jaggery to the ginger. Now let's begin the process. Into a mixing jar, put both ginger and jaggery together and blend them into a fine paste. Do not add any extra water to it. Now let's heat a pan and pour the mixture into it. Keep stirring this mixture continuously so that it may not get burned. Put this on a medium flame. Now add a pinch of turmeric and a pinch of salt to taste. Be stirring it continuously. Now we can see the color changes gradually. Here we can see the color has changed. Now slowly the mixture gets thickened and starts leaving the pan. See, it has thickened, and now this is the stage where we can switch off the flame and take it out. It gets more harder when it gets cold. So make the small sized balls as soon as possible as it becomes so harder. You can use the hand gloves to protect from burning your hands. If it becomes harder, Then we can't prepare the balls. To make these candies harder, I made it in thick consistency. You can prepare soft candies by putting off the flame as soon as the mixture starts leaving the pan. We can chew them for a longer period if we prepare them harder. It sounds like marbles. Now, sprinkle little sugar powder over them and combine them well. Here, the ginger candies are ready. Do not take more than 4 to 5 of this size candies. You can prepare them in more smaller size and can take 5 to 6 candies per day. I am the food for infants to adults and to everyone. I have low cholesterol. I am highly nutritious. Coming soon. Thanks for watching.